Hey guys, this is Kid Roy, and this I'm doing another part. I'm doing another video today. I don't commonly do this, but yeah, I'm doing another part. So, where did we leave off last time? Just need to check something real quick. Yeah, I just checked. Didn't get enough likes or views. So, yeah, sorry that I accidentally put the wrong thing on. So, yeah, let's get started with What If Naruto Was a Girl, Part 3. Naruto, Naruto would, so Naruto basically, would get, Naruto basically would start, I'm just going to skip to that mission, I forget the name, but yeah, Kakashi got the mission for them, so yeah, Naruto and Kakashi and Sasuke and Hinata are basically going on that B-class mission that's really a, I want to say, that C-class mission that's really a B-class mission. So they basically go on that trip, and the twins, basically, Naruto notices them immediately. I'm gonna say that her tracking skills are really more advanced than, I'm just gonna say that because, she basically wants to be the best ninja she can be, so, yeah. Naruto basically would, she would basically just do her lightning style jutsu. I'm pretty sure I gave her lightning. So she basically would use a lightning style jutsu and shock them. So that would happen. And Naruto basically would just turn that lightning style with, I'm just going to say that she had the Chidori and the fire wind jutsu, fire cyclone. The fire cyclone jutsu basically is a failed Rasengan. So basically, she fuses the Chidori with the fire hurricane, and basically it creates a fire electric hurricane. So they basically have a, more, so she basically has a double S-class jutsu. Yeah, I'm just gonna say she has a double S-class jutsu. So, imagine that. And I'm gonna say she's able to launch it too. Yeah, I'm just trying to make her as OP as I can. Naruto basically, that fight that occurs, I forget his name, but he's one of the 7 swordsmen. And, yeah, I'm not good with names, guys, sorry. Plus, it's early on my side, so, yeah. Naruto basically would do that trick that, canon Naruto did. So, yeah, that would happen. Seven swordsmen with the executioner blade would basically, yeah, do the same thing. Everything would happen normal in canon. And let's get to the bridge fighting scene. No, wait. They basically would work on their chakra control, and they basically, Naruto would be the second person to get tree walking. I'm just going to say that because she's a little better with her chakra control than Sasuke. And yeah, she has a humongous amount of chakra, so for her to use jutsu, she had to control it. And yeah, Naruto basically would get second. Sasuke would be the one left behind. Well, not left behind. That whole scene with Naruto happens, like in canon with that kid, I don't remember his name, and to have the whole execution blade guy and his son, I don't know his name, and that whole thing happens. Naruto basically sees Sasuke getting hurt, and basically, yes, says no, and runs off into the dome, and basically tries fighting, him, forget his name, it's just hard to remember names for me. So, Naruto basically would, I don't know, basically turn into the Nine Tails. Not Nine Tails, but that, anger form with the Nine Tails cloak. Sasuke would unlock his Sharingan at that time and basically see everything, and Sasuke basically would be telling, Naruto what to do. I'm gonna say that, her instincts said one thing, and, she just basically broke a little bit of her instincts and just followed Sasuke's instructions. She has a tiny crush on him, remember? So, yeah. That happens, and wow, this is not even a long time. I just looked at the time for the video. I thought it was way further through. They basically, I can't think of the words. They basically fight him, and they basically win. Just straight up win. That chakra tornado, lightning storm? Chakra hurricane lightning, basically would destroy all the ice because, ice is not a good conductor, but I'm just going to say in the Naruto universe, no, I'm just going to say there was water on the bridge. So, yeah. Because of all the, mist, and, yeah, there's just a lot of water, so it had an easy time conducting with, the mist. So, yeah, that happens, and Naruto basically defeats, him, and basically they get onto the guy with the executioner blade. They fight him with Kakashi, and basically win. Was he not in all this? Basically staying back with Kakashi, helping him fight. So yeah, that happens, and basically once whatever that guy's name was, who hired the guy with the executioner blade, basically, I'm gonna say that the guy with the executioner blade is not that hurt in this timeline. Neither is, his son. And basically, they all fight, the entire army, and basically destroy it in one sitting. 1 minute. Basically, and I'm pretty sure that Naruto and Sasuke basically would create a combo attack, and just great fireball jutsu, all of the people, like super great fireball jutsu. It wouldn't be a great fireball jutsu, but it would be like a great fireball jutsu. A greater fireball jutsu ever. They would name the bridge the Uchiha and Uzumaki Bridge. Because, Naruto and Sasuke had an equal part, and they thought they were basically dating, so, he just named it that because of that. They make it back to the village, and, yeah. This is where I'm going to be ending it off, and see you guys later. Peace. Some legends are told, some turn to dust into gold. Some legends are told, some turn to dust into gold, but you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. Remember history, remember for centuries.